friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for subscribing and checking out today's video. So, today I'm going to be using the Kush Queen palette by Peachy Queen. So this is what the palette looks like. And I found this brand on Instagram and I was just drawn to the company because of the beautiful colors that they use. It is so my speed, and look how big these eyes. I will have it linked somewhere how much this palette costs, because I did get it a while ago and I don't 100% remember, but I want to say maybe it was in the $30 range, which is not bad. So small indie brand. Also, in this palette, there is a full-size mirror, so that is a plus. You get 12 huge eyeshadow pans, and of course this palette is based off of weed. So there's a lot of different weed names on the palette, which is pretty cool. So if you guys want to see the look that I come up with and how these shadows apply, then please continue watching. Alright, so I have you guys up closer, and we're going to be going into the Kush Queen palette. So I'm not exactly sure what kind of look I'm going for with this palette because the colors are just absolutely stunning. But I am going to go in with Lemon Kush first, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease. Alright, next we're going to go into Northern Lights and start blending that towards the crease. Alright, you guys, I'm loving this green. So next, I think I'm going to go into Pineapple Express. It's a really pretty like yellow gold. I'm going to spritz a flat eyeshadow brush, dampen it up, and then go right in. Alright, so we have that done and cleaned up. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply a wing with this 2-in-1 liner to shadow Wonder Swipe by Rimmel. It's this green shade. So the name of this is Ka-Ching. Alright, so now that we have that done, I'm going to apply these Aurora Real Mink Luxurious Lashes. And I found these at my local beauty store. They are gorgeous. So I'm going to apply those, put the rest of my face on, and then we will come back to discuss my final thoughts on this palette. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. and I am loving this eyeshadow palette. So again, this is the Kush Queen eyeshadow palette by Peachy Queen. You can find them on Instagram, and the shadows, honestly, they're super pigmented, blended amazing. There was a little bit of fallout, and as you guys can see, maybe there's a little bit of kick up on the yellow and the gold that I used, but it's nothing too crazy, nothing that you can't work with. I see myself reaching for this palette quite often. I'm loving the shades. I love the size of the eyeshadows. You get a lot, and I also think that it's a plus that this eyeshadow palette comes with a mirror. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this review video, and I hope you guys are loving this look. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit your bell notification so you aren't missing out on any videos here with me, and don't forget to follow me on all social media, which is linked down below. Let me know what you guys think about these reviews, and if you missed out on it, you guys, I know that I don't post 3 times a week on this channel anymore. I've said it before, but if you're new, I'm going to reiterate. I have a second channel, Shanae's Life. Head over there and subscribe if you guys are interested in pranks, challenge videos, trying international snacks from around the world, just a good time vlogs. Nay and I started a second channel, and we are just loving it. Also, I edit videos for my mom's cooking channel, Dee's Delicious Bites. She does mukbangs, cooking. It's a lifestyle channel, so if you guys aren't subscribed to her channel, head over there and check it out as well. You guys, I've been extremely busy, but I am doing the best I can, and I appreciate those of you who have stuck with me and been very patient. There are lots of new videos coming soon between all 3 channels. So you guys, I love you so much, and don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.